Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I will show you how we can put this phone into recovery mode. Now to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. And once you see the OPPO logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume down. You should then see a language selection, so I'm gonna choose English. You can choose other languages as well, the two that were visible. And this will redirect you to the actual recovery mode, where you have only like two options. So we have online update, and we have format data, factory reset of our phone. And the two other options below that are just ways to leave this mode, which one would be turn off your device, or the other one, reboot it. Which reboot is also a way you get back to your system, obviously. So that's what I'm gonna select, and that's basically it. I'll wait for the device to boot back up just before I end this. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.